Let me introduce myself. My name is Diah Ramadhani, student ID number 23412060. I am a student in the accounting department. In this video, I will explain the definition of tax according to the Constitution of 2021, the function of tax, and the tax collection system in Indonesia. Definition of tax. 2021 Constitution. According to Article 23A of the 1945 Constitution, as amended fourthly, which is in effect until 2021, taxes and other compulsory levies for state purposes are regulated by law. This means that every citizen is obligated to pay taxes as a compulsory contribution, as the proceeds are used to finance state interests, and to the greatest extent possible for the welfare of the people. Definition of tax. Academically, according to Professor Rahmat Soemitro, a tax is a compulsory contribution made by the people to the state treasury based on law, without any direct compensation, and used to finance general expenditures. This definition emphasizes that taxes are uniquely obligatory, regulated by law, provide no direct benefits to the taxpayer, and are intended to finance state expenditures for the common good. Functions of tax. Taxes have four main functions. First, the budgetary function, which serves as the primary source of state revenue, used to finance routine and development expenditures. Second, the regulatory function, where taxes are used as a tool to regulate economic, social and political policies, for example, through certain tax rates to encourage or discourage certain activities. Third, the stabilization function, where taxes are used to maintain price stability and control inflation. Fourth, the distribution function, which aims to equalize income and create social justice. Tax collection system in Indonesia. The tax collection system in Indonesia is divided into three systems. First, the self-assessment system, where taxpayers are given full control over calculating, paying and reporting their own tax obligations. Second, the official assessment system, where the amount of tax payable is determined by the tax authorities or tax officials, for example, in the case of land and building tax. Third, the withholding system, where a third party is authorized to deduct or collect taxes, for example, a company deducting Article 21 income tax from employee salaries. Brief illustration. As an illustration in the self-assessment system, each taxpayer completes and reports the annual tax return, SPT, independently. In the withholding system, for example, a company withholds and remits Article 21 income tax for employees. In the official assessment system, the government, through the tax authorities, determines the amount of tax payable, for example in determining land and building tax. Conclusion. It can be affirmed that taxes are a constitutional obligation stipulated in Article 23A of the 1945 Constitution. Taxes serve a vital function, serving as a source of state revenue, an instrument for economic regulation, a means of stability, and a means of distributing social justice. Indonesia's tax collection system emphasizes trust in taxpayers through a self-assessment system, while maintaining official and withholding mechanisms. By understanding the legal basis, function, and collection system, we can better appreciate the role of taxes in national life. That's all my explanation, thank you. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.